Hey my chickadees, welcome back to the back 40. It's Mama Juju and we're crafting on the back 40 tonight. Okay, I just got through watching Kathleen Mower doing the window envelopes, pockets for the junk journals. I will put her link down below. So I thought, ooh, I'm going to try that because that looks really good. I want to run and try that. Could not find the envelope with the big window. Looked everywhere, couldn't find one. So I just got one of the regular envelope windows, one that was bigger one that I had. And I thought, okay, well, I want to make a pocket window now because I got that hankering. So, looked me out some stuff, and then I found some little Christmas papers. And I thought, oh, I don't have anything Christmas. I need some Christmas stuff to go on my planner. So I pulled this out to make me a couple of Christmas things to go in the planner. So here we go, okay? I'm going to show this to you. I'm going to do this. So I thought I would do kind of like she was doing because I like it when the pocket, you know, the pocket goes over here. This folded out, stuck out. You put a eyelet there, and you had your pocket here. And I like the eyelet with the little dangle on it. That was just cute. So I thought, okay, what can we do? Let's improvise. So when I was looking for some stuff, I found this paper, and I thought, okay, that's really cute. And it looked really cute through the window. So we could put it on this window envelope, and then put... just glue it around and do a little black and white and you know, distress around and we'll be set. So we're going to glue this around, cut it out. All I did was cut the bottom of the envelope, and then I cut across the top of the envelope, and this is what was left. Okay, so then I took this one and I folded it down like this, so it would stick out the corner here, okay? But you see the window, to get it to do that, the window has to, you know. So I thought, all right, we'll cover it. So I got this scrapbook paper, and this one is just some Webster 2 pages, Christmas season from, I don't know, probably 8 years ago maybe. I'm not sure when. It's been in my stash forever. We'll glue that one like that. No, I'm going to take this because I don't want all that bulk. So I'm just going to put this down to help reinforce it. Then glue this down. Let's just go. No, I'm going to do my window first. And then I'm going to do that on the top. So it'll bend over and we'll have this writing. And we'll see this with this writing across the top. And then let's flip it around and do the same on this side. So the writing, so the writing will be the same. And then we can put our eyelet right here and have our dangle hanging off of it. And it'll be kind of a black and white one. So I want to have this up against my pocket window, so you can just see the words and put the stuff behind the pocket. Thought about making this pocket, but this is too flimsy and it's got like a little nick here, so I'll wind up tearing that up. Because, you know, I'm a messy crafter. I'm just messy. It's just messy and rough, and it's just terrible. Alright. Thought, oh, get on there, do this real fast, real quick, have it real fast, quick one. Voila. Alright, I'm going to cut that off. Oh, I'm going to wind up messing up. I was trying to cut it to my face. Yeah, do this first. I can't see, and I do not want to cut my envelope because it's the last one in the house. And I would be upset if I cut and mess up my envelope. Trying to get this done. Just sew up. This is what you get for not measuring and doing stuff appropriately and just going in on it, trying to do it at the seat of your pants, by the flyby, being unprepared. It just don't pay. No, no, no. Okay, let's see. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Let me trim that up and get through with this one. Alright, let's see how I can do this one. This is some real life, real stuff. You can hear them kids. I done told them Mama was doing stuff today. But you can still hear them. In there. And the dog. If it ain't the kids, it's the dog. I'm recording. Good night. Okay. He knows, he said. Talking to teenagers. Charlie Brown's mama. Womp, 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 womp. Gotta make sure I didn't mess up. Okay. That's cute. It's like a little tie. Look. I like it. It looks like a tie. MommaJuju got you dressing up in ties, girlfriend. That's cute. Let's do this other side. I just got an alert on my telephone and it says our weather is going to be warmer and hotter. I'm thinking getting lower, pneumonia. The hospital's going to be full, the emergency room's going to be full. People going to get pneumonia, sure as the world. Pneumonia weather. That looks cute. That looks cute. I have to keep taking it off because I have to see. You know, just can't see. The YouTubers, they just come on and make this stuff look so easy, don't they? They just got done. No. This is real and raw here, girls. Real and raw. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Look, it's so cute. Now I'm trying to think what I want here. I know. It made me think about it with that tie. I would put one of my little girls. You know what? Let me see. That looks like stamp size. Well, I don't know. She's cute with the blue. That's kind of neutral. It's a little color. I think I was thinking about Timothy, but I think all of my Timothy stuff is too big. I don't have no little bitty Timothy dolls. Oh, she's cute. I might have to chop her sister off. Okay, we're gonna do that. I suppose nasal drainage is something. Sorry, forgot again. I'll get it one day. You know, one day. One day, maybe. Oh, she's just cute as a button. She is cute as a button. She's cute as a button. Okay, these are cute as little dolls. Look at them. They are cute. Cute. Okay. Let's see. Look like they're standing on the words. Let me see what that looks like on camera. Quad. It's a little bit too much for it. On it up there. Because I'm going to need this. Oh no, look, he has a tie and he's wide. Look at that. He is wide and he has a tie. Yeah. And I can leave him for a tuck spot for behind here. And I can put a cluster behind him whenever I go to put it in the journal. See what I'm going to do. That's what I'm going to do. Thank you, Mr. Timothy. Let's do it again. I'm just going to do this part down here so to glue the tuck spot. And that's my art glitter glue. I need to put it in a new bottle and used it so much. That bottle's looking looky. Alright. Looky. Cute. Now let's put us a little thing on there and we will be done. They're so fast. I mean, fast. There's got to be something that I'm just not doing right. Hey, y'all who do this just gonna have to tell me what I'm doing wrong. Am I not being a good Boy Scout? I love this thing. I got this when I was doing way back in the day. It's so old. When I was doing my planning and making my planners and stuff. Let me see. I tried my other one, but it did not work because the paper was still wet from the glue. Right. Ta-da! And I'll go on like she did. I think I might have, let's see, what is, let's see. I got a white one. That yellow just keeps popping. Yellow it just keeps coming. It wants to be there. All right. There we go. Isn't that cute? And then we would take it, and if it sticks over on a page, like there you go. It would set in a pocket page, just like that. Oh lordy, that's cute. It's nowhere close as cute as Kathleen's, but it's so cute. Thank you, Kathleen. I gotta give me some better junk mail. All right, y'all have a good night. Bye.